Just waiting for, make sure everybody's made their way here. Give you 1 minute, and we'll get started. All right, let's begin. Welcome to the LEGO Group display, always a great attraction. Still some stragglers? Okay, okay, just give me a yell. Thank you very much. Sorry about that, false start. It gives you an opportunity to move around and get a look at this incredible Cadillac. I've been given the signal that apparently we are good to go now. Thank you for joining us here at the Canadian International Auto Show Media Day, and for coming by the LEGO Group display here at the 700 level once again. As always, they are going to attract a lot of attention with their display that they have put together. This year is no different. It's spectacular. I'm pleased to welcome back again this year Lubor, Zelinka, who's the design manager specialist for the LEGO Group, to discuss this incredible LEGO 1950s Cadillac Fleetwood. Lubor, first of all, congratulations on putting this together. It's an amazing vehicle to look at.
Thank you very much on behalf of the whole team, and we are very happy that we can be here again with this vehicle.
You mentioned it when we spoke last year, but tell us a little bit of your background, how you came to be involved with the LEGO Group and putting this project together. Was it just an extension of childhood?
Basically, yes. I always joke that I've been in the company for almost 12 years, but I have over 30 years of building experience. But I actually studied multimedia and graphics, and I spent some time in the film industry. And then when LEGO was hiring for external freelance 3D modeling work, I applied. I loved the fact that, unlike with the movies, this gets built physically, so it exists in the end in the real world. And then I applied for a full-time job, and I never left.
It's wonderful, and you get to create beautiful vehicles like this LEGO Cadillac, and attract an incredible amount of attention here at the Canadian International Auto Show. You're back again this year. Obviously, it's an important event to be at for LEGO as well.
Absolutely. We are just displaying our passion for vehicles. This is the best place to be in. And also showcasing that LEGO Brick is the ultimate creative medium, as I like to call it, because you can build anything that you can dream of. So no matter if it's a vehicle or anything else, if you imagine it, you can build it in place.
Do you start a project like this, LEGO Cadillac, as, hey, what do you think if we try this? Or what's the motivation? What's the inspiration? How do you decide to do this?
Well, the inspiration was, the ask rather was, let's get a nice cool down car. Let's get us a nice ride for Las Vegas Grand Prix, because this is where the car debuted to carry the winners of the Las Vegas Grand Prix last year. And the inspiration was obviously Elvis Presley's pink Cadillac, which was a better match for Vegas style and the golden era of American automotive design than Cadillac in pink. So then we spent a few weeks on designing the small one first, actually, because there was no set like this.
This is a one-of-one creation. And once you decide, okay, this is what we're going to do, we're going to create a little Cadillac, how do you then begin the process? And you were on a very tight timeline as well.
That's right. We only had 4 months start to finish. So we, it's a team of 17 people, including engineering specialists, procurement, project management, and others. How do you start? You start with a blank piece of paper, with a lot of research, inspiration from different model years of Cadillac. And then, just like you would do in your homework, in bedroom if you're a kid, you build and create until we went through 12 different iterations of the design for the small car. And at the same time, we actually did really mock up of the interior because we needed to see 5 people and make sure everybody fits. We had the special configuration for a cameraman because that was the ask. 3 people in the back, Derek Cruz behind the wheel. So we had to do the math right from the start. And then we took the small set and started scaling up.
It's a unique set of challenges, as you mentioned. Having a car that needs to operate on a Grand Prix track, you need to carry passengers, you need to be able to drive and transport. So, like on live television, so there are other stumbling blocks that you have to, and obstacles that you have to overcome as well. So it's problem solving as well as creativity.
Absolutely, and it just goes hand in hand with our motto of inspiring and developing the builders of tomorrow. So this is an ultimate engineering achievement because it's a rolling vehicle, as you just said, as much as a display piece. For example, the chassis is our own custom engineering. We don't do just the brakes and the vehicles, but we have team of good engineers who did the chassis, integrated the powertrain, and then we had to figure out all the bits and pieces. For example, because this is over 400,000 bricks, the biggest challenge is big weight. I absolutely wanted the white level tires and the wire rims because the RTDs are so accurate and they, for me as a designer, they do like half a million rims. But we were struggling to find the right load bearing index for the tires because we were so heavy. This is over 2 tons when loaded. So, yeah, and many others.
And you have to accommodate a number of passengers and